Today we are going to learn Báhya Kumbhaka Pranayama version 2. Namaskar. Welcome to Get Inspired Spiritually, a place to find yourself and awaken spiritually. I'm your host, Yadunandan. Bahya Kumbhaka Pranayama version 2 is a simpler form of Bahya Kumbhaka Pranayama 1. The key difference being there are no locks applied here in version 2. On the contrary, Bahya Kumbhaka Pranayama 1, where we applied two locks, Moola Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha. These two are the locks we applied, which make the practice very difficult as well as effective. But this practice is a little bit simpler than the one because we are not going to apply any locks. So why wait? Let's start the practice. Before we start, as previously stated, Bahya Kumbhaka Pranayama is about exhaling off the air in your lungs and staying in that state for how much ever time that is possible to you. So now we are going to continue the practice then. The first step in this pranayama is to little bit inhale and then now exhale off all the air in your lungs. Stay in this state for as much long as you can. Okay, let's start. So we were able to do it for 17 seconds. Again, let's repeat the practice. Take a breath, close your eyes. You can hold mudras like this. You can hold chin mudra, this one. Keep it like this. Exhale. Stay there. Count up to how much ever you can. So this way you could count like up to 12 we did for the second time. So this way you can exhale off all the air in your lungs, stay in that state for as long as you can, and thereby this increases your longevity. How we have explained that, because there are certain number of counts that a human is assigned for a lifespan of about 100 years. There are about 74,000 breaths assigned to each person. Thereby you can cut down on the number of inhalations and exhalations, and then you can increase the longevity.